The 2020 Lamborghini Sian Roadster. Lamborghini will assemble just 19 Sian Roadsters. They're all sold at the time of writing, by the way, so all that's left for us to do is drool at the photo gallery while squeezing in one or two details about the Roadster's character. Here's the essential info on Lamborghini's new V12, yet unpriced marvel. Lamborghini Sian Roadster, Powertrain. The very heart and soul of the Sian Roadster is the same powertrain present inside the coupe. Expressed in numbers, that's 819 horsepower coming from twinning a 6.5-liter, high-revving naturally aspirated V12, 785 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute, 720 Nm, 531 pound-feet of torque with a 34 horsepower e-motor mounted inside the gearbox. Just like in the Sian coupe, the electric motor not only complements the ICE, but also works as the main actor during reversing and parking. Performance-wise, the Sian Roadster has a top speed of over 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour, while the 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour shuttle takes under 2.9 seconds. Just like in the coupe's case, that's very well in line with the name Sian, since it translates as flash or lightning in the Bolognese dialect. Naturally, Lamborghini's supercapacitor technology is present, too, with the hardware bit tucked in between the cockpit and the engine, so it doesn't mess with the weight distribution. As you might recall, this solution is deemed as 3 times more powerful than a battery of the same weight and 3 times lighter than a similar capacity battery pack. The e-motor plus the 48-volt supercapacitor system weigh just 34 kilos, 75 pounds. The braking system is of the regenerative ilk and it's been entirely developed in-house by Lamborghini. Lamborghini Sian Roadster, design. There's not much to pick on in the design department, but we're told the Sian Roadster got a couple of elements that set it apart from its coupe peer. The debut color, for example, is called Blue Uranus and it's been selected by Lamborghini's Centro Style and the Ad Personam department for the way it evokes the blue of the sky and the green of the fields associated with freedom. The hue you see on the wheels is called Oro Electrum, electrum being a naturally occurring alloy of gold and silver. Inside, it's complemented by blue glauco and white detailing, as well as more Oro Electrum deco bits and bobs made of aluminum. Indeed, the Sian Roadster's cabin is an exquisite place to sit in and enjoy the blue sky as you carve through the hills of Tuscany, provided you're one of the lucky 19 1%ers that bought the car. Speaking of carving, the Sian Roadster's profile directs air through the front splitter and through the front bonnet, as well as through the side air intakes, and then over the rear spoiler in a clever way that keeps its aero abilities intact compared to the coupe.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.